so much opportunity that GIS they have offered and portrayed and also showcase in many ways on opportunities that we can apply, and we also got to know how equipments work and other ways they actually take content for GIS that is very important in Taiwan.
Sekarang setting bebatu obul cimi FNU Sambula taka Lensering is my third year. Niko na JS conference day, so kita ulat ngamen kui dari campus na may setup. Niko elef sarang naka ubuli na batera JS, batera drone, benakana kena nikito bantak na total station. So mana nito bantak na total station go sa upgrade kena RTK o siya sa laksar kena drone. So naga drone nakauli din ko ako kararotondo niko setup tak na rowa at a known point kon sila raman x y and z coordinates sana gay bukada na drone na menagay ndrat kita may na be coordinates kede ko ay kung garage so nakaya uli din ko o maro taksar na singin ko naksar wali JS conference day.
Hi, my name is Alina Ali and I'm a second year student at USP. I'm doing a Bachelor of Geospatial Science. I'm a second year student. Yeah, so this was quite a good opportunity for me to network with organizations like Ministry of Land and Ministry of Forestry and Itauke Trust Board. Looking at the display, especially the drone and the technology, it's quite surprising how fast the world is moving. And when I first heard about GIS in high school, I thought it's like something small, not that important. And yeah, when I get into this field of study, then I got to know how important GIS is in our life. Thank you.